In this video, I'm going to show you what to do when your PS5 controller buttons begin sticking. This can be a pretty common issue with some PlayStation 5 controllers, particularly with the action symbol buttons, where over time these buttons on your PS5 controller get stuck or hard to press. The good news is there's a very easy trick that you can try that will fix your PS5 controller and save you from spending $69.99 on a brand new expensive controller. So make sure to leave a like rating on this video and we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing I always recommend anyone do when dealing with a PlayStation 5 controller issue is to first do a hard reset on the controller itself. This part is very important and you do not want to skip this step. Make sure that your PS5 console is turned off, locate the small reset button on the back of the controller, and use a small tool like a paperclip or toothpick to hold down the reset button for at least 5 seconds. Then connect your controller back to the PS5 using the USB cable and press the PS button. Now, a big reason why the buttons on your DualSense controller might be sticking is because of dust, debris, or residue causing the buttons to snag and get stuck. The most effective solution for this would be to take apart your PlayStation controller and clean the individual buttons. The problem is most users are not going to want to do this because you could potentially break your controller or make things worse if you don't know what you're doing. But luckily there is an easy trick for cleaning the buttons without taking apart the actual controller. You can start off by first applying some compressed air and then use isopropyl alcohol on the affected buttons. Now, since the PS5 controller is designed with a rubber gamepad beneath the buttons, you can actually be fairly generous when applying the isopropyl alcohol without risking the controller itself. Any excess will simply end up on the gamepad and eventually evaporate. Personally, I like to use 99% electrical grade, which is safe on most plastics and circuit boards. After applying, I recommend pressing down on the button and even using circular motions to remove any obstructions. Then use just a little more compressed air and gentle drying with a microfiber towel to finish the job. And that's it. Now you know how to easily fix stuck buttons on a PS5 controller without taking it apart or spending almost $70 on a new one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on this video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.